So this is my heavy duty metal shelf I have in my utility room, laundry room. It's a utility shelf. I put everything on here. I love that, like, I could adjust these shelves to what height I want. I have assembled this myself. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wooden shelves that you put onto the metal frame. They can hold 200 pounds each. I even use the top shelf. I love that the adjusted shelves, so you can adjust these to the height you want depending if you have a taller bin or a shorter bin, so you can really make it the way you want it and set everything you need here. Your shelves are basically, you're going to have for the 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves here. I have between 14 to 16 inches, depending how you arrange them. This way, I kind of made them equal. So that's about how much room you have. You could see that you can fit some tall bins here. This shelf gives you plenty of space. You have about 34, a little bit more inches across here, and it is 16 inches deep. So sturdy. It holds so much stuff. I highly recommend this to have in a utility room. This is a construction that is commercial quality. The strength and this is like, it does not move. You can screw it onto the wall as well if you want to have that extra stability. You have all these holes here, so you can easily do that. I'd recommend having a row of these in your garage, so easily find your things this way. So this has been a top investment, good quality, and very fair price. I highly recommend them. If you are interested in this product, check out my Amazon link in the description below. Also, like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of these review videos. And also let me know in the comments what videos you would like to see next. Thanks for watching.